So, a very, very good, very happy Easter Sunday. Can all of you write your name in the chat box and type a good morning and a hello message for me? I want to see how many of you were. So, let's see. Can you quickly type a good morning message in the chat? Come on. I'm waiting for all of you. Can you hear me? Type a message in the chat box if you can hear me. Hello, everyone. I hope now you all can hear me properly. Please type a message in the chat box if you can hear me. And a very, very good morning to all of you. Hello, everyone. And a very, very happy Sunday. I want to know how many of you are here with me today. So please type your name in the chat box quickly. This exciting class. Today we are going to learn about a lot of things. So if you are ready to learn with me, if you're ready to go on in a fun journey with me today, then please type your name in the chat box quickly. Type a hello or a good morning as well. Today is a lovely morning and it's a Easter Sunday today. So a very, very happy Easter Sunday to all of you. So let's see what exciting journey are we going on today. I want to welcome all of you to the number land of me and Matt. Are you excited to go and explore this number land with me? If you're excited, type a yes in the chat box, please. Let's see how many of you are ready to go on this journey with me to the exciting number land. Okay, I can see. All right, we have Bhagat. Okay, hi Bhagat. Very, very good morning to you. And I can see Chanda Chakrabarti. Okay, can you type your name? Okay, we have Priyansh with us here. Hello, very good morning, Priyansh. Good morning, Bhagat. And Chanda Chakrabarti, can you please type your name in the chat box? Okay, so that I can call out your name, right? Very, very good morning to all of you, and thank you so much for joining the session with me in this lovely Sunday morning today. So it's great to see that you all are excited to go on this journey of number language. So shall we begin? Let's see what things do we get to see around in this number land. Okay, so do you all see the number land or not? Type a yes in the chat box if you all can see this lovely, beautiful number land. And also type if you like this number land. Would you like to live in a land like this? Yes. Would you like to live in this beautiful land? Type a yes in the chat box if you all are excited and really happy to see this number land. Okay, that's great. What about others? Come on, quickly type in the chat box that what things are you seeing in this number land? What things do you see? And also type if you are able to spot the hidden numbers. You know, the numbers are hiding. Hello, very good morning, Arya. Welcome to the session. Very, very good morning. See, we already started our journey, right? So it's great to have you here with us. Let's begin, right? So, do you see this very, very beautiful pink castle, right? Would you like to live in a castle like this? Yeah. And who lives in a castle? Can you tell me? Who lives in a castle? Do you live in a castle? Yeah. Oh, Priyansh is saying that he's able to spot number three. Okay, Priyansh, where is number three? Can you tell us? Where do you see number three here? Others also, come on, try to spot the number. Since it's a number land, so there must be numbers hidden somewhere here, right? In this beautiful land. So you have to spot those hidden numbers and tell me where are those numbers. We need to find those numbers first from this number line, right? We need to meet. We have come here to meet the numbers, isn't it? And maybe the numbers are hiding inside the castle, right? So, would you like to go inside the castle and see what is there? Yeah. So, it's a very beautiful pink castle where kings and queens live. So, maybe there is a king and queen of numbers living inside the castle. Who knows, right? So, let's check what things are there in this number line. I can see beautiful butterfly. I can see a bright yellow sun. I can see a swan, beautiful white swan swimming on the water. And also there is a seahorse. There is a bird flying, some clouds smiling, a tree. And do you see the guard standing in front of the castle? I don't think so. They're going to allow you to get into the castle, right? They're standing there. They are trying to guard the door of the castle. And I can also see some balloons. Yes, very good, Arya. Very good. Arya has written that she can see a butterfly, a sun, a balloon, a bird. Very good. A castle. That's great, Arya. What about others? Come on. Let's see. You have to type and interact with me in the chat, right? Otherwise, how will I know that whether you all are really enjoying this journey or not? Isn't it? So you have to be very active, right? So now I think we are ready to meet our first number, right? Let's move forward. Okay. So now we are going to check if you are able to spot the hidden numbers or not. Were you able to spot any of the hidden numbers? Like Priyansh said, he spotted number three. What about others? Were you able to spot any hidden numbers in this number line? Yes? Tell me, quickly type in the chat box if you were able to spot your favorite numbers in the number line, right? Because we are very soon going to reveal all the numbers to you. Okay, so let us see the first number. Oh, is it a number? It's just the sun. It is just the yellow sun. How is it a number? Oh, wow, Priyansh, yes. You are very, very correct. The sun resembles the number zero. Very good. Oh, Arya is saying that unicorn and king lives in the castle. Very good, Arya. Good imagination. Great. So, Priyansh says that the sun means zero. Let's see if he is correct or not. Yes, you're absolutely correct, Priyansh. The sun here is round, just like a zero, right? So we have our first number with us. We met our first number, which is zero. And zero is very, very important in maths. You know, zero means what? What does zero mean? Can others hear me clearly? Arya says sound is not clear. What about others? Am I audible clearly to everyone else? Okay, Arya can also spot number two. Well, let's see if you all did spot the numbers correctly, right? So who would have thought that sun can be the zero, right? So let's see. Are you all excited to meet our next number? Are you? Because I'm very excited to see what does our next number look like. Let's see. So, oh wow, this is the guard who was standing in front of the castle, right? He was protecting the castle and he was standing there tall and straight. So, what number do you think this card is representing? Yes? Can you all tell me? What number does this card representing? Arya, Bhagat, Priyansh. Come on, type your answers in the chat box quickly. What number is the card representing? Yes, Priyansh, you are correct. Let's see. So Priyansh says that the card is representing the number one because it is standing tall and straight, just like one, right? So Priyansh is absolutely correct. Very good, Priyansh. Very good. Very good. So it's great to see y'all are able to identify the hidden numbers and y'all are enjoying this journey of the Numberland. Great. Okay, so Arya, did you meet number one? Yes. So just like the sun was representing zero, the garden is representing one. Now let's see, let's move forward and meet our next number. Okay. So here we have a very beautiful white swan. What number is this swan representing, do you think? Can you type the answer in the chat box quickly? Yes? Yes, Arya. One is done. Now we are moving forward. So Priyansh is saying that the swan looks like a two. Okay. Let's see. Arya, what do you think? Does the swan really looks like the number two? Hmm? Shall we reveal the answer? Let's see. Yes, the swan actually looks like the number two, right? If we see here, it is actually looking like number two. So Priyansh is absolutely correct. That's great, Priyansh. Very good. I must say that you're observing very, very nicely. So yes, the swan is number two. Very good. Yes, Arya, the card was number one. But now, as we move forward, we have also met number two. So how many numbers did we meet till now? We have met 0, 1, and 2, right? So let's move forward and see what's the next number coming, right? So we have butterfly over here. And what number is the butterfly representing? Can you tell me? Yes, the butterfly here is representing the number. Come on, type in the chat box. What number do you see the butterfly representing? Quickly type your answer in the chat box. What number is the butterfly representing? Yes, Priyansh. Priyansh is very, very quick to answer. Yes, Arya is going a little late, I feel. And Bhagat, what happened? You're not typing any answers? Are you not enjoying the journey with us? Come on. I want all of you to be very active in the chat box, right? Because here we are not able to talk to each other like we do in classes, but you have to be very active and quickly type your answers in the chat box, right? So, yes, the butterfly actually represents the number 3 over here. Let's see if we draw it like this, isn't it? So it is all our imagination. You have to imagine the numbers in objects around you, right? Whatever you are seeing in your real life, you have to imagine numbers in those objects. Okay, like here we are imagining the butterfly to be a number 3, right? We're imagining the swan to be a number 2. Did you ever think it like that way, right? So that is imagination. You're imagining the numbers in these beautiful objects around you in the number lines, right? You have to feel, you have to imagine that you have actually reached the beautiful number line, right? So we are going on a trip on this Sunday to the number line. Okay, so the butterfly is the number 3. Let's move forward. Let's see what's our next number. Oh, wow, that's the boat. That's the boat which was sailing on the sea, right? Now, what number is this boat representing? Can you quickly type in the chat box? What number is the boat representing? Come on, let's see. Let's see. Come on, Priyansh, Arya, I'm waiting for your answers. What number is the boat representing? Oh, Priyansh says it is 11. Good imagination, Priyansh. And what about Arya? What do you think is the boat representing, Arya? What number are you able to imagine in the boat? Can you quickly type your answer in the chat box? Okay. Arya, what about Priyansh? Priyansh, can you hear me clearly? Is the sound clear to you? Okay. Arya has given the answer as 5. Okay. So Priyansh says 11, Arya says 5. Now let's see what is the answer over here. Okay, but very good imagination. Okay, so let's see. Let's reveal the number to you, the hidden number. Hidden number here is, oh, it's a 4. It's the number 4. My God. Wow. So how do you think the boat is a 4 if we draw it like this? Right? Do you see here? It's showing number 4, isn't it? So that is how we can also imagine 4 inside this boat. But 11 and 5, if you are also able to imagine 11 and 5 inside the boat, that is very good. That's very good. Okay. So 4 is the hidden number inside the boat. Now, what comes after 4? Let's see. What's the next number we are going to meet? I'm very excited to meet the next number. Okay. So, oh, it's the seahorse. It's the lovely, beautiful pink seahorse. And what number is the seahorse representing? Arya and Priyansh, what do you think is the seahorse representing? Can you all type in the chat box? Quickly. Quickly type your answer in the chat box that what number is the seahorse representing? Let me see your imaginations. Let your imaginations flow. Come on, you can type whatever you feel looking at the seahorse, whatever number you feel. Okay, Arya and Priyansh, both of you say that the seahorse looks like number 5. Let's see. Yes, it is number 5. So try to see how the seahorse is like a 5. Yes, it actually looks like a 5. The seahorse actually looks like number 5. So now we have met 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? So a lot of numbers we have already met, but many more numbers are yet to come. So let's go. Come on. Let us go and meet the next number over here. Oh, that's such a cute little snail. Do you see the snail? Yes? Yes, Arya. Arya is putting emojis. Arya, what emojis are these? Timing. Are you getting late for something? Okay, so Arya and Priyansh, it's the cute little snail over here. Now, what number do you think the snail is representing? Priyansh and Arya are very, very quick to answer. Both of them says it is showing number 6. Is it? Let's see. Let us see. Oh, yes. It is showing number 6. If we show it like this shell of the snail over here is actually 6, right? So the snail does look like number 6. That is very, very exciting, right? How we are able to look for numbers in animals, isn't it? Did you ever think that animals can look like numbers? But here you see, everything is possible in the number land. It's a very, very magical land, right? So let's move forward and meet the next number. Yes? Okay. Oh, wow, that's a very, very tall tree right there. Now, which number does this tree look like? Oh, Arya is sending me some beautiful flowers. Thank you, Arya. Thank you, Arya, for the beautiful flower emojis. But here we have a tree, a very, very tall tree over here now. Priyansh says that this tree looks like number 7 to him. What about you, Arya? What number do you think this tree is representing? Is it 7 or is it something else? It's looking like something else to you. Come on, Arya. Quickly type your answer in the chat box. Let's see. Oh, Arya is in the mood of sending emojis now. She has sent some queen emojis. Arya, I think you're very excited to meet the queen of the Numberland. Hmm. Are you? Okay. Let's see over here. Arya, this tree resembles which number? Do you agree with Priyansh that it shows number 7? Or do you think that it's something else? Come on, quickly type your answer in the chat box. Because we still have a few more numbers to meet, right? We don't want to be late. We have to explore the Numberland and we have to meet all the numbers, right? Okay, so Arya also agrees with Priyansh and she also says that it is number 7. Okay, let's reveal the answer. Oh, the tree actually resembles 7, it says. But how? Maybe like this, right? So, these objects may not perfectly look like the numbers, but like I said, you have to imagine, right? You have to imagine the numbers in them. So if you imagine, then this tree actually looks a lot like number 7. So very, very good, both of you. Very good. So we have met so many numbers till now. So many. So Let's see who all are left. Okay, so we have a friend here who has also come with us on this journey of Numberland. Now, what numbers do you see hidden here? What number do you see hidden in this picture? Okay, Priyansh is very quick to say 8. But how 8, Priyansh? Can you tell me? How do you see 8 over here? Does this boy over here look like 8? So this boy has come to explore this Numberland. He is also looking for numbers, right? Now, we have to look for number in this picture itself. So, how is it 8? Okay, Arya also says 8, but how? What looks like 8 over here? Can you tell me? What thing exactly looks like 8 over here? Come on, type your answer quickly in the chat box. Okay, Priyansh says telescope. Is that a telescope, Arya? Come on, Arya. You also type your answer in the chat box. Priyansh says that it's a telescope which is looking like 8. So, Arya, what do you think? Is it a telescope? Come on, Arya. I want to know your answer. That what makes you think that this picture is looking like 8? Yes. And Priyansh, very good for your efforts. But the name of this thing, what the boy is holding, no, what he's trying to see, that is not a telescope. It is a yes, Arya. So Durbin in English, we call it a binocular, right? This is a pair of binoculars, and the binoculars is looking like a number 8, right? So if we draw the binocular like this, the front part is looking like 8 because it has two circles. So it is resembling the number 8. So Priyansh, very good guess. You just got the name a little wrong. It's not a telescope, it's a binocular, right? Which helps us to see things. The work of a binocular is quite similar to a telescope, but still it's different. Telescope we use mostly to see things in the sky, right? And binoculars is something which we carry when we travel to places. It helps us to see things a little far away. Okay, so it's the binoculars, and it does look like 8. So very, very good, all of you. Now let us see what is the next number. Okay, so here they're saying that the next number looks like the balloon. What number looks like this balloon? Priyansh, Arya, Bhagat, come on. Type your answers in the chat box quickly. What numbers look like this balloon? Let's see if you all are able to guess this number or okay, Priyansh says the balloon looks like 9. Arya, what about you? Others? Bhagat? Come on, quickly type your answers in the chat box. What number does the balloon represent? Does it look like 9 or does it look like any other number? Come on, be quick. Priyansh is very quick. Priyansh has quickly given his answer. He's telling that the balloon looks like the number 9. What about others? What about you, Arya? Come on, quickly type your answer in the chat box. Show some activeness. Come on. I hope you all had breakfast right before the session. And also, it's a Sunday, so you have to be even more active, right? Because Sunday is a fun day and we are having fun over here, isn't it? And when you have fun, you have to be very, very active, right? Okay, Arya has also given the answer and she too says that it looks like 9. So let's see. 9 means it is something like this. and like this, right? So yeah, maybe it does resemble a 9. Let's see. Let us figure out. Okay, so Priyansh, Arya, absolutely correct. Both of you are genius. Both of you have figured the numbers so correctly. Very good. So the balloon actually looks like the number 9. That's great. Very, very good. Okay, so we have met many numbers till now. Did you all count how many numbers did we make? How many numbers did we meet in the number land? Yes, Sani and Priyansh. So now quickly type in the chat box the answer to this question, that how many numbers did you meet in the number land? Come on, let's see. Quickly type your answer in the chat box. How many numbers did we meet in the number land? Did we meet only 9 numbers? Priyansh says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Priyansh, you are missing out on a very important number, which we met in the first. Remember, it looked like the sun. What was that number? Yes? Come on, quickly type in the chat box. How many numbers did we meet in the number land? We met 0, right? 0, you have forgotten, Priyansh. 0 is very important. Even though 0 means nothing, but in maths, it means something. It is important when you put 0 in the correct place, right? So if you put 0 after 1, it becomes 10. If you put 0 after 2, it becomes 20. So 0 is important. So you cannot forget 0, right? So we have made 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have met a total of 10 numbers in the number land. That's quite a lot of numbers. Okay. Are there only 10 numbers in maths? Or do you think there are more numbers also? We have met only from 0 to 9. Is that it? Or are there more numbers in maths? Yes, Priyansh, Nani, what do you think? Only this much numbers are there? Or there are more? Yes? Come on, let's see. Any other numbers? Can you type some numbers in the chat box? Yes? Can you type some other numbers in the chat box? Whatever we met, apart from that, what other numbers do you want to meet? Can you type in the chat box? Do you want to meet any other numbers? We already met from 0 to 9, but any other number do you want to meet? Okay, Priyansh says unlimited numbers are there in maths. Okay, but which number would you like to meet? Is there any special number, or do you have any favorite number which you will like to meet? Come on, type in the chat box quickly. Do you have any favorite number? Arya, Priyansh, Bhagat, do you have any favorite number which you will like to meet today? Okay. Priyansh says 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Arya is again back to the mood of sending emojis. Arya, type some numbers in the chat box and tell me what numbers will you like to meet. So Priyansh has given some answers. He says 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, the numbers which we met in this number land, okay, we can use those same numbers to create other numbers. Did you know that? Right? So, if you can type your favorite number in the chat box, then I will tell you how we can meet your favorite number. Right? So type just one number, your favorite one number in the chat box. Let me see. Come on. Priyansh, what have you written? 1T. What is 1T? Quickly type your favorite number in the chat box. Arya, Priyansh, come on. If you want to meet your favorite number, you have to type your favorite number in the chat box first. Okay. So Priyansh has typed a really, really big number, Priyansh. Wow. Okay. That's great. Okay. So Priyansh is saying that his number looks like something like this. After 1, he is having too many zeros. How many zeros, Priyansh? I think some 10 to 12 zeros he has put. So he has made quite a big number. And he's telling that is his favorite number. But it's this number is nothing but only 1 and 0, right? You're just using the numbers 1 and 0 to create this very, very big number, right? So 1 and 0 we already met. Now when you put them together like this, you can make your favorite number, right? And if your number is 12, Priyansh, then you just pick 1 and 2 and put them together and you get your favorite number, right? Isn't it? So my favorite number. Now you have to guess what is my favorite number. I will not be telling you about my favorite number, but I will be giving you a riddle. Okay? So let's see if you are able to guess. Here is one riddle for you to guess my favorite number. So I'm going to read out one riddle for you, and you have to guess what is my favorite number. Okay, since you have met all the numbers, so I think it's going to be very, very easy for you. Yes. Let's see. So here's the riddle coming for you. I come after 4, but before 6. I'm in the middle, just a little mix. I am not too tall, I am not too wide. You can count on me on one hand side. What number do you think this is? Come on. It's your time to guess my favorite number. I come after 4, but before 6. I'm in the middle, just a little mix. I'm not too tall, I'm not too wide. You can count on me on one hand side. Yes. So Priyansh has given the answer as 5. Arya, what about you? What do you think is my favorite number? Yes, can you guess from this riddle? So Priyansh says it's 5. So yes, 5 does come after 4. You are correct, Priyansh. It comes after 4 and before 6. And also it is not too tall, not too wide, and you can count on me on one hand side. So one hand has how many fingers? One hand has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fingers. So maybe Priyansh's answer is correct. Let's see. Oh yes, it is absolutely correct. The answer is 5 and 5 is my favorite number. Okay. Yes, very, very good, Priyansh. You were absolutely correct to guess my favorite number. Now, let's see that you know that by using all these 10 numbers we met, we can make all the other numbers in maths, right? That's exactly what I was telling you. That if you want to make the number 50, let's say Arya's favorite number is 15 and Arya wants to meet 50. So Arya just needs to meet 1 and 5, right? And that will make her favorite number 50. So only by using from 0 to 9, you can make any number. You can make your favorite numbers, all the numbers in maths. And you can make as big a number as you want, right? So that is why these 10 numbers are also called as digits. Okay? From 0 to 9, all these 10 numbers which we met in the number land, they are also called digits. A special name is given to them. Their numbers, yes, but a special name is given to them as digits because these numbers are very important. Using them, we can make infinite numbers in maths, as many numbers as we want, right? All the numbers can be made using this 10 numbers, isn't it? So, would you like to try and make some numbers? Let's see. Can you make some numbers, let's say, using your favorite digit and my favorite digit? Do you want to make some numbers using these digits? So we saw that my favorite digit was 5, right? And you can also pick your favorite digit and write some numbers in the chat box quickly, isn't it? I already told you my favorite digit is 5. Now you can pick your favorite digit out of these 10 digits and you can make some numbers and type in the chat box. Let's see how quick you are to make the numbers. Come on, quickly, quickly type some numbers in the chat box. Right? So here are the digits which you can see in front of you: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isn't it? You can see the digits in front of you. But using these digits, you have to create some numbers, right? So I want you to create some numbers and type in the chat box. Come on, let's see what numbers you are able to create. You can use my favorite digit 5 and you can pick your favorite digits. Maybe you can pick one or two favorites and create some numbers. Let's see. Who is the first one to create a number and send in the chat box? Come on. Priyansh, Arya, come on. I'm waiting for your answers. Quickly type in the chat box. Quickly type your favorite numbers in the chat box using your favorite digits. Okay. Priyansh says 10. Okay. And 10 does not include 5. 10 includes 1 and 0. Isn't it? So what if I say that you have to use 5 and you have to use 2? Okay, Priyansh has made many numbers: 17, 71, 18, 91, 90. Okay. But what if you say you need to use these two digits, 5 and 2, to create some numbers? Can we do that? Can we use 5 and 2 to create some numbers? Yes. Can you use the digits 5 and 2 to create some numbers? Let's see. Arya, Priyansh, come on. Create some numbers using 2 and 5. Okay. Priyansh says 52 and 25. Very good. What about Arya? Arya, come on. Type your answers in the chat box too. 52, 25. Is there any other numbers, Arya, which you can make using 2 and 5? So we took the digits as 2 and 5, right? So yes, using these two digits, you can make 25 and 52, isn't it? And we can also repeat the digits. We can also repeat the digits. Repeating means splitting the digits more than one time, right? So then maybe you can make 22, you can make 55, right? You can make 225, many, many numbers you can make. Again, you have to let your imagination flow, right? So think many numbers. You can make many, many numbers, as big numbers as you want, right? 2-digit, 3-digit, many numbers you can make using only these two digits, isn't it? Very good. Yes, 55, 222. Yes, that's correct, Priyansh. Yes, correct. So Priyansh, the first two numbers which you had made, 25 and 50, which is the greater amount? Is 25 greater or is 52 greater? Which number is greater, Priyansh? Is it 25 or is it 52? Can you tell me? Can you quickly type your answer in the chat box? Arya also. Which is a greater number? Is it 25 or is it 52? Yes, absolutely correct. 52 is greater, right? 52 is greater because this is 20 and 5. And this is 50 plus 2. And definitely we can see that 50 is greater than 20, right? So 52 is a bigger number. Very good. That's correct. Okay. So let's make some more numbers. Right? Can you use the number 7, 8, and 9? Can you use this three digits, 7, 8, and 9, to create some numbers? Let's see how many numbers you're able to create. Use the digits 7, 8, and 9 and quickly type some numbers in the chat box. Let's see. Priyansh, Arya, Bhagat, come on. Quick. We are almost coming to the end of this journey of Numberland, isn't it? Right? So we have to meet as many numbers as possible, right? So that is why you have to meet numbers quickly. Come on. So 7, 8, and 9 are waiting for you to put them together and make some new exciting numbers. Let's see. Come on. Now, whatever hidden numbers were there, we have already met. Now, for the other numbers, you have to create those numbers using these digits, right? From 0 to 9. So I have given you three digits, 7, 8, and 9, and you have to create numbers. Wow, Arya, very good. Arya is back and she is typing 987, 879, 798, 789. Very good, Arya. Very good. Any other numbers, Priyansh? Come on. Very good. Great to see Arya and Priyansh so active in the session. Very, very good. Very good. Come on, some more numbers. Priyansh, your turn. Do you find any more numbers you can create with these digits? Arya has already given 4 numbers. Any other numbers do you think you can make? So Arya has made the numbers as 987, 879, 798, and 789. Is there any other numbers, Priyansh, you can think of? Yes, I can think of 978 also, right? That is also one more now. And also maybe 897, right? And if we only want to use 2 digits, I don't want to use all the three. That also I can do. I can make 78, I can make 87, I can make 89, I can make 98, isn't it? So I can either use 2 or all the three digits, and I can also repeat them, isn't it? Right? I said we can also repeat the number. So you can also make 999, you can also make 888 or 777 by repeating the digits. Correct? So can you imagine by only using 3 digits, we are able to make so many numbers? That's amazing. Numbers are amazing. Numbers are wonderful, right? They're magical. Yes or no? Right? So, did you have fun meeting with all the numbers in this journey? If you had fun, quickly, you can give something fun emoji in the chat box. Okay? Priyansh, Arya, Bhagat, if all of you had fun in the journey today, in this number land, you can send me a fun emoji in the chat box. Arya loves sending emojis. So, Arya, I am really waiting to see what emoji you are sending. And also, Priyansh, Bhagat, everybody who is there in the journey with me today, please send me a really, really fun emoji. Come on, let's see. I really want to see a very, very fun emoji in the chat box. Come on, let's see. Priyansh, Arya, once you send me the fun emoji, we are going to do this fun number song and we are going to end our journey of the number land today. Okay, come on, let's see. Priyansh, Arya, waiting for your emojis. Oh, Priyansh has really sent some cute heart emojis and smileys and trophies. Okay. Arya was sending emojis throughout the session, but now she's not sending. Arya, come on, send some fun emojis and let us end the session on a very, very fun note with this number song. And since it's the first YTLS live session of me and Matt, so from today, let us promise each other that we are going to love numbers, isn't it? We are not going to be afraid of numbers. We are not going to be scared of numbers, but we are going to love numbers. We are going to be best of friends with numbers, right? Because only if you are best of friends with numbers, you will be enjoying this fun ride at me and Matt. And you're going to love maths. Maths is going to be your favorite because you are friends with numbers, right? Okay, let's see. So, are you ready to sing the number song with me? Yeah? So, come, let's start. I want you all to do some actions and really, really sing with. I cannot see you, but I'm sure you're going to join with, right? So, 1 and 2, come join the fun. 3 and 4, let's start to run. 5 and 6, we are jumping high. 7 and 8, we touch the sky. 9 and 10, we spin around. Counting numbers, what a sound! Come on, let's do some actions now. Okay, so you actually have to spin around and jump high and start to run. Come on, let's do some actions. Let's be more active. Okay, 1 and 2, come join the fun. 3 and 4, let's start to run. 5 and 6, we are jumping high. 7 and 8, we touch the sky. 9 and 10, we spin around. Counting numbers, what a sound! Yay! So, did you all enjoy the session? And did you all enjoy the song, this number song? If you remember this number song, no? So it's going to be really fun. Okay. So we can actually sing this number song every day so that we will not forget the numbers and we will be even more friends with the numbers. Right? Isn't it? So every day you can sing this number song in your class. Okay. So if you all enjoyed the session, please type a yes in the chat box, or you can give me a emoji, a thumbs up emoji, or a heart emoji, right? Because we have come to the end of the session, and oh, I will be seeing you in the next week again, right? With another amazing session. Till then, enjoy your classes, enjoy doing maths, and enjoy playing with numbers. And have a very good Sunday. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.